Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Our review of the Ford F-150 Electric 2028. This electric pickup truck is redefining what it means to be a workhorse. One of the most impressive features is its extended battery range, allowing you to tackle long distances without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can get back on the road in a jiffy. Don't let the electric powertrain fool you. This truck packs a punch with its instant torque and impressive horsepower, making it a beast on the road and off. Need to haul heavy loads? The F-150 Electric is up to the task. Its payload and towing capacity are comparable to its gas-powered counterparts, ensuring it can handle your toughest jobs. The F-150 Electric maintains the iconic design of the series while incorporating modern electric vehicle elements. From the sleek lines to the futuristic lighting, it's a head-turner. Interior, step inside, and you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin. The premium materials and advanced technology create a luxurious feel. Experience the thrill of instant acceleration as the electric motors deliver power to the wheels. It's a joy to drive, whether you're cruising down the highway or conquering off-road trails. The F-150 Electric handles exceptionally well for a truck. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and performance, making it a pleasure to drive in various conditions. One of the standout features is Pro Power on board. This allows you to use the truck's battery to power tools, appliances, or even your entire home in case of an emergency. Stay up to date with the latest features and improvements thanks to over-the-air updates. Your F-150 Electric will always be at the forefront of technology. Reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment by choosing the F-150 Electric. It's a sustainable choice for both work and play. The Ford F-150 Electric 2028 is more than just a truck. It's a versatile, powerful, and sustainable vehicle that's ready to tackle any challenge. From its impressive performance to its innovative features, it's a game-changer in the electric vehicle market. If you're looking for a truck that combines power, efficiency, and technology, the F-150 Electric is the one for you. Visit your local Ford dealer today to learn more and take a test drive. Throughout the review, incorporate engaging visuals, such as close-ups of the truck's features, footage of it driving in different conditions, and animations to illustrate technical aspects.